Good morning, students. In the previous videos we discussed about the chapter called the matrices and the definition of matrices, order of a matrices and some properties on the matrices and solved some problems. So today we discuss about the new chapter called determinants. So matrices related next chapter yaudandra determinants. We have to discussed already about the matrices. Now we have to discuss about the determinants. So in the matrices we arrange the number of numbers in the rows and columns. So we already know that how to arrange the system of linear equation into the matrix. If you take the example, that is ax1 a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. It is the system of linear equation. So this system can be expressed in the matrix form. So matrix form ಒಳಗೆ ಈ system of equation ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So matrix ನ ಈ system of equation form ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We have to write coefficient of x in the first column. So it will become a1 a2 and we have to write the coefficient of y in the column second, that is b1 b2. Then we have to multiply this matrix with the coefficient, that is x and y, and when it is equal to the constant c1 c2. When you multiply this equation we will get this system of linear equation. So in the linear equation is now matrix formula. In determinants means we have to cross multiply this. So it will become a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So it is nothing but the determinant of this matrix A. So determinant is nothing but the number which is unique. So number under ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು obtain ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಂಗ multiplying this type we obtain the one number. That number is called the determinant of that matrix. If you take the definition of determinant, if m is the set of matrices and k is the set of numbers, then function, then we have to define the function. Then the function f from m to k. So we are defining function from m to k such that f of x equal to f of a equal to small k, where a belongs to the capital M and small k belongs to the capital K. Then we say that f of a is the determinant of a. So a is the determinant ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So determinant ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ set of matrices to the set of numbers. So we are defining the function from set of matrices to the real number or one number. So we are taking the matrices and calculating this type of equation. We are getting the constant or some number, that is called the determinant. So determinant ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ set of matrices to the set of numbers such that f of a equal to k. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ matrices ನ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, determinant of that matrices ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So it is called the determinant of a and it is denoted by determinant of a or determinant of A. We cannot read it as a modulus of A. So it is not a modulus of A. It is the determinant of A. So it is the definition of the determinant. Next we move to the example. Determinant has the some properties, that is determinant of a matrix A is unique. So determinant ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ always unique ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ determinant is obtained for only square matrices. So determinant ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ determinant find out ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So if given matrix is a square matrix, then only we can find the determinant of that matrix. So this is about the definition of a determinant. If you take this some other function, or if you take determinant of matrix of order 1. So of order 1 matrix can be A equal to A. So determinant matrix of order 1 means it having only one row and one column. So it is nothing but the A. So either the determinant ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, so determinant of A is nothing but the given number. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So ಇದು 1 cross 1 matrix ಅದ. So it is also a square matrix of order 1. So ಇದರ determinant ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, determinant is nothing but the what is the number inside that matrix is nothing but the determinant of a matrix A, which is having the order 1. So if you consider the determinant of matrix of order 2, next one, determinant of matrix of order 2. So order 2 the matrix ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? So A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. It is nothing but the 2 cross 2 matrix, or it is the square matrix of order 2. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ರೋ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದರದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A, which is equal to we have to cross multiply these two things. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ A11 into A22. next we have to subtract. So rules ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? next ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. again we have to multiply these two, that is A12, A21. it is the determinant of a matrix of order 2. we have to multiply this type to find the determinant of a matrix of order 2. if you take the example, that is A equal to matrix 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 5. it is the 2 cross 2 matrix. we have to find the determinant of this matrix, that is determinant of A equal to, we have to cross multiply. So we have to cross multiply, that is 1 into 5, 5, and subtract 3 into 2 is 6, it is equal to -1. So -1 is nothing but the determinant of a matrix A. So it is the determinant of a matrix of order 1 is ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ. ಸೊ if you determinant of a matrix of order 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಡು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ we have to consider the determinant of a matrix of order 3. of a matrix of order 3. So we have to find the, or we have to know the determinant of a matrix of order 3. So in the 2 cross 2 matrix ಅಥವಾ determinant of a matrix of order 2 the determinant of infinite one. Now we have to consider the determinant of a matrix of order 3. So if you consider the matrix of order 3, that is A equal to, it will become A11, A12, A13, next A21, A22, A23, next A31, A32, A33. It is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. We have to find the determinant of this matrix. So either determinants find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು determinant ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to expansion along with the first row. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So if you expand along with the first row, or you have to expand along with the second row or third row, otherwise you have to expand with the first column, second column, third column. So ಎಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು 3 ರೋ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now consider as a first row. Now first row ಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So first row expansion start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, determinant of A equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, first row first element is A11. So we have to write this. Before that we have to write minus 1 raised to I plus j. Here minus 1 raised to I plus j ಅಂದ್ರೆ I ಆಮೇಲೆ j ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So ನಾವು ಇನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So I ಆಮೇಲೆ j ಏನಿದೆ 1 plus 1. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ರೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನಿಮಗೆ A22, A23, A32, A33. So we have to find determinant of that. Again we have to write A11. ನೋಡ್ರಿ determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, minus 1 raised to I plus j ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ A11. So I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Then we have to write A11 as it is. So after writing this, we have to leave the first row and first column. So if you leave the first row first column, what will remain in this? A22, A23, A32, A33. So we have to find that determinant. A22, A23, A32, A33. This complete the first row first element. Now we are considering the first row. Now first row consider ಮಾಡಾತೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ A12 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So plus of minus 1 raised to I plus j ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 2. That is 1 plus 2. Next we have to write A12 as it is. Then we have to leave first row second column. First row second column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ A21, A23, A31, A33. So we have to write A21, A23, A31, A33. Next we have to take third element, that is A13. So A13 ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, minus 1 raised to I plus j ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 1 plus 3. Next A13 as it is, we have to take determinant. So first row third column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, first row third column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ A21, A22, next A31, A32. So we have to simplify this, then we will get the determinant of a matrix of order 3. So solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 + 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ -1/12. ಸೊ -1/12 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ -1 into -1. This will again become a +1. So that is determinant of A equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ +1. 1 into anything is 1. Therefore we have to leave this 1. Then write the A11 determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Next we have to take -1/1 + 2 means it will become the -1/3. That is -1 into -1. So it will become a -1. Therefore this becomes the minus of A12 with the determinant A21, A23, A31, A33. So A21, A23, A31, A33. Similarly in this plus -1/1 + 3 becomes the -1/4. It will become a -1 into -1. So we get the +1. Therefore it will become a plus A13 into determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. So now you have to solve this. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ 2 × 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A11 as it is we have to cross multiply this. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. This completes. Next again we have to take minus A12 into bracket cross multiply. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A21 A33 minus A23 A31. So this is also complete, and the next one is A13. So we have to cross multiply. Again we get A21 A32 minus A22 A31. So ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ A11 A22 A33 minus A11 A23 A32. Next minus of A12 A21 A33. This minus and this minus become a plus, that is A12 A23 A31. Next that is plus A13 A21 A32 minus A13 A22 A31. This is the determinant of matrix of order 3. So is the general representation of a matrix of order 3. So na idena idti general agtade. So idu nimaga idu ತಿಳಿದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. So one problem ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we have to solve one problem of matrix of order 3, then we will understand clearly. So if you take the one problem, that is find the determinant of matrix A equal to 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0. Next 4 1 0. So it is the matrix of order 3 × 3. ಇದರ matrix order ಏನೈತಿ 3 ಐತಿ. ನಾವು ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು determinant find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we have to find the determinant of this. So that is determinant of A equal to. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನೈತಿ A11. So A11 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 1. So along with first row 1 ಬರದ್ರಿ. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Determinant. First row first column ಬಿಟ್. So first row first column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳಗ 3 0 1 0. So after this we have to take second element. Second element ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 2. Next we have to take the determinant. First row first row second column. ಇವೆರಡು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? -1 0 4 0. Next one is plus A13. So A13 is nothing but the, what is the value here? 4. So 4 into determinant of, we have to leave first row third column bitre ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? -1 3 4 1. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 1 as it is. So cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನದು? 3 into 0 0 -1 into 0 0 -2 -1 into 0 0 minus of 4 into 0 0. Next plus 4 -1 into -1, that is -1. Again minus 4 into 3 12. So if you solve this, this will become a 0 0 into 1 0 -2 into 0, it is also 0. Next plus 4 into bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು -1 and -12 will become a -13. So the answer will become a -52. So answer is -52. -52 is nothing but the determinant of a matrix of order 3. That is determinant of A is equal to -52. It is the how to find the determinant of a matrix of order 2. If you take another example, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is determinant of a matrix. Find the A equal to 3 -1 -2 0 0 -1 3 -5 0. So we have to find the determinant of this. So determinant of this find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ write down, that is determinant is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ along with the first row. First row ಲ expansion ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿರತ್ತಿ. So first row first element ಏನಿದೆ 3. So it is positive. So ಏನದು 3 as it is. Next we have to take the determinant. First row first column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 -1 -5 0. Next we have to take minus. First minus ಬರೀ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೈತೆ ನೋಡು. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ -1. ಸೊ we have to write -1 as it is. Then we have to take the determinant. So first row second column. First row second column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಂತು 0 -1 3 0. That is 0 -1 3 0. Next we have to take plus. Here it is plus, or what is the element of first row first element ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we have to take minus, then we have to take the second row, sorry first row second column element. So next it is the plus. Third element is first row third element is -2. Is the determinant first row first column ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 0 3 -5. ಸೊ we have to solve this. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 as it is. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 into 0 0 -5 into -1, it is become a +5. Next minus into minus plus 1 into bracket 0 into 0 0 minus 3 into -1. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? -3. Next, plus into minus, minus 2. Again, this is the 0 into minus 5, 0, minus 3 into 0, 0. So, ಇದು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 into minus 5 plus 1, 0 minus of minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 3 minus 2 into 0. So, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ minus 15 plus 3. So, it is 2 into 0 is 0. So, minus 15 plus 3 means we get the minus 12. It is nothing but the determinant of a given matrix of order 3. So, this is about the determinant of a matrix of order 1, determinant of a matrix of order 2 and determinant of a matrix of order 3. It is very basic. This concept is clear atundra next properties 3. So, up to this we have learned about the determinant of a matrix of order 3. In the next class we have to solve or we have to discuss the some properties of the determinants. Thank you.